Get you warm.
She's right at the glass. You see her?
Yeah, big one. Tranquilizer ready if we need it.
Easy, buddy. It's all right. He's just saying hi. Hey, gentle. You're okay. Look at him. He's curious. Good boy.
Here's the waiver and the visitor guidelines. Once you sign, Cooper can head over.
Okay.
There's the signature right there. And the
All right, buddy. We're all set.